Hello guys, Percy here. So after a long time, I just back. So it's been really long time since I made the last trade breakdown. It was my first video on YouTube actually. I remember it was like 6 months ago or something, right? I didn't even check to be honest. Anyway, so today we're gonna do trade breakdown, and I want to show what's changed in my trading and how you can maybe use useful information from me. So what's changed, right? Before the what's changed, actually, let's come into my trades at I took at the Canadian dollar Japan yen, because I want this video became just like trade breakdown. I don't want to do like too much technical videos, teachings, etc. I just want to do just trade breakdown, so you will understand my how I see the price. Okay, so my first trade was actually at 7 April, if I'm not wrong. Let me check. Yeah, at 7 April. So that price action used to be, I think like price should come back here, then I will look for entry from there. That's correct, and that's still correct if you like, if you agree it's bearish. Like if you can see like short-term bearish, yeah, it's correct. But anyway, that's not my seeing right now. What I want to see, let's take it from here. I want to see price to retrace here, right? So what the able to see price trace here, I want to see price give me something, like I want price convince me about something, like it's want to go higher. And if I convince price, if price can convince me price want to go here, then I can look for entry to enter at this candle, not in this candle, at this candle. So this little indicator right here is also gonna help me about this, like how I'm gonna enter on this move. It will be helpful. Anyway, so daily candle, let's just one candle more. So at this candle you see price is respecting the previous daily low of this candle, and price is running this previous daily high. So what we expect then, this area is actually where we want to get enter, right? I mean, this is our target right here. This is liquidity with targeting, and we want to get into the trades before price reaching. So able to do that, let's take it to the 1 day, and I want to go to next day at the 1 hour time frame. So price sweep here, right? And what price is actually done also, we want to see price retrace here, right? So anyway, let's continue and see how price opens up. Okay, so my entry was at 5. Okay, so London session starts here, then price going lower, and yeah, we have this order block right here. So price retrace into this order block. Do we enter? Do we look for entry right after price retrace into it, especially after this long bearish candle? Would you be make sense to enter when price come here? No, I think we can wait for extra confirmation. What is extra confirmation for me at this moment? Well, just want to see respect candles, as we learn in the MMT or ICT, SMC, I don't know, anything comes to your mind. These wicks are respect, right? So these wicks are showing the respect of this PD array. So why not we wait for respect candles, then we look for entry afterwards, right? So if this is our target, and if this is respecting, and if we are bullish, we sweep the previous daily low, right? So we continue higher, we retrace. This is our current daily candle. We want this daily candle to turn bullish to reach here, right? Makes sense, right? So we want to see bullish price action, and with previous day before we sweep this previous daily low, then we going up, right? Let me show. Actually, it will show. Oh yeah, it's showing the current daily candle or something. Anyway, so that candle was bullish, right? We sweep the previous daily low, then we expect this candle to be bullish to retrace here. Okay, so If we know our daily bias is bullish, if we read these candles like this, then we expect this candle, the next candle also be bullish to retrace here, right? So let's go to the 5 minutes. At the 5 minutes, I wanna put this indicator to turn into this 1 hour. Okay, this is current 1 hour time frame, 1 hour candle. So we have this respect candle as I showed you. So this is the closure, right? This close like this, and this is the change in the state of delivery. I mean, I'm using the change in the state of delivery now as my entries, but this is not the entry itself. No, we wait. So next candle opens up. So what we want to see in this candle, so what we going through, like we want to see bullish daily candle, right? It's same on the 1 hour also, guys. So on the 1 hour time frame, I also want to see price to make a retracement, then going higher, if it makes sense. Like I want to see price to create a wick. It's like understanding the candle signs in real depth. Let's see. So price is actually retrace into this fair value gap, right? By the way, this is not the best example. Maybe the other examples maybe might better. I don't know. We will see. So price retrace into this fair value gap, and we want to see change in the state of delivery. It didn't happen yet. Now it did. So my entry, I believe it was like this. Wait a second. Let me see. Yeah, but the thing is, if I'm not wrong, there was news at 8:30 or something, the Canadian dollar news. If I'm not wrong, I'm not gonna check it, but yeah, my stop loss wasn't there. I mean, it could be there. It's logical answer, yeah, but I think it's my stop loss was here, or even like here, because of the spreads. I'm gonna be honest here, because this like pair is not good with the spreads, not the best compared to like how euro is, right? And my target was here. Actually, I just target 2RR, but in this case it was different, so I just target here. I mean, my usual how I approach the trades is 2RR, but in this trade, yeah, I just explained this trade. I didn't explain, I just showed the screenshot of this trade on my X, so this is the explaining of this trade. So we put the wick, we retrace into the fair value gap, then we do change in state delivery. So I mean, even if you put here, you will be surviving. No, not really. I mean, that was a bit lucky, I guess. I even have a screenshot of this trade on my X, so you can see it. Anyway, so trade hit the TP very clearly actually, and after this retrace here, then new changes the delivery, but I didn't answer again. So after price reach here, that was my trade. That was it. My daily target has met, so I'm not looking to price anymore. That was it. That was it. I took my trade and just out. That's all. It was really beautiful trade. Hope you understand the logic behind the trades. It was, I think, really good trade. I mean, this how you understand this move. This move is really good. So let's go to the next trade. April 8th. Okay. Well, April 8th. Yeah. So let's look at this price action. Well, we have this order block, fair value gap right here, then price not really respecting it, right? So we want to see again the same things, guys, as I mentioned. We want to see swing point to show respect, which is this candle showing to respect, and this candle actually tradable, but my trade on the next candle. Like if this candle close like this, you can trade Tuesday also, but I took at the 8th April. I don't know, maybe I wasn't watching here, not too sure. So the next candle, what we expect? Daily bias, step 1. What we expect? We expect the price make a big bullish candle, but able to bullish candle, we want to see a little bit of retracement to put a wick of the daily candle. Then we want to see expansion. Okay, it's clear. So step 2, going to the 1 hour time frame. What am I expecting? Okay, well, it was that like this. Okay. So that candle, it was too much expansion. I didn't remember it like this. So my target was here, yeah, right. I mean that's a normal move, but like it's still. Wait a second. As you can see, it still put up weak, right? So yeah. And now we want to see my entry is actually around New Year session again. Okay. So let's move some. Sorry. My trade is around here, yeah. So price, well, retracing to this for a valley gap, then price respected. But if you go to the 5 minute on this time, let's see. I think it doesn't give you entry, right? Yeah, 4 a.m. is just continue lower. So if you approach the same things as we approach here, like respect candle, the next candle 5 minute, no, it doesn't happen here, so it didn't give you entry. In here, at 5 a.m. candle, let's see. At 5 a.m. candle is give you the first candle. Well, this candle is 4, right? Then it is 5. 5 a.m. candle opens up. Let's do this as a 1 hour time. Yeah, we open high, so this is not what we want. Also, this is just the first change in the state delivery, not the second one. We want to enter on the second one, alright? So, well, actually, if price now sweeping here, okay, we sweep here, then we opens up and we trade above this area. Actually, this look like consolidation, so, but well, this is not the best example, maybe. Wait a sec. So you can see this as a consolidation, and I think I can agree with you. That was not like high probability trade to took, because I mean we respecting this wicks, right? So that's clear. But I mean, this is not my best entry or best setup to see. But yeah, that was my entry also, I'm saying. So my entry was here because we swept the previous daily low, previous candle low of the 1 hour, and you're seeing the story also here, right? So we expand higher. Then at New York we just came down. Actually, New York didn't open up yet. This at the London we came down to this area again. It's similar with this. Then we're respecting the previous candle lows, then expand. We're showing the bullish candle. Maybe like more makes sense to enter at the 7 a.m. candle, but let's see. As you can see, I'm just being transparent with you guys. I'm not saying, oh, I take the best trades in the world. No, it's not. I mean, my entry is also sometimes is low probability, but I'm trying to show you the logic behind this, like what is good, what is not good, etc. Because I don't want to say everything I do is correct, everything I do is A plus setups. No, I mean, I'm just being transparent here. So my entry was something like this, right? Yeah, it was like this. Then we reached the high at this point. It was also a good trade, not the best trade, but it was also a good trade. Then we reached the highs. I mean, you can target 2RR. I think I'm seeing I was targeting 2RR. Then I added new position at the new candle, but I don't want to show this one because this is just my personal approach. Yeah, that was it. That was a trade I took at Wednesday. And now I can show you. That was at Tuesday. That was at Wednesday. Now I can show you the gold trades I took. It's at April 9, which is here. Okay. Well, that was also like different type of trades. So as I mentioned on these trades, this is like not 100% mechanical trades, right? I mean, this can't be 100% mechanical. Like you can see that you can read the candles like in mechanical ways. I mean, yeah, but there are some subjective ways also in these trades, if this makes sense. Like how I enter here, like if you look at the objective way, that it's consolidation. I think I can agree with you. Not gonna lie, that was not the A plus setup, but I know the Euro USD has to do move at the New York session, close to the New York session. I know I can catch the like expansion phase candles, right? Especially like with the timing, right timing, and the right technicals. So that was my idea. And on gold, it's gonna be like same because as you can see, price is actually respecting here. So some of people can look for short in this position. I mean, when you look at like this, well, alright, so Percy, what you're saying to me, prices don't want to go down, especially when prices looking like this. We want to see continue higher after this peak respect candle. Well, it's really hard to explain. Like I can't put in the words how I think at this moment, at that moment, the market. So it's not gonna be easy, but yeah. So this is the for value gap we should hold. Then we holding, we finishing the context. Then at 9 April, what I wanna see is actually yeah, bearish candles, right? I'm saying with you, right? Because if I see respect candle, then I wanna see bearishness at least till the here. Because if you're gonna trade this here, then I want to see price to run this low, previous daily low, then to this low. Well, if it's bearish enough, then this low and even this lows. Bigger the time frame, stronger the time frame, and we also are respecting the previous monthly low. So on the monthly we are actually bullish. On the weekly and daily we are bearish. That's sustainable. How I approach this is gonna be like most advanced one because like this one more easy. That one's must like that one is most of the like mechanical and it was easy to explain, right? But on this one it was a little bit subjective, right? Not was too much easy to put in an objective way. But on gold it was more hard. So at 1 hour, let's go to the 1 hour time frame. So at the 1 hour time frame, let's take it to the 1 day. So it's the daily candle, current to daily candle, and new candle gonna opens up right now. New daily candle opens up right now, and then we retracing higher. Well, so the open low going high is not a bearish sign. If it was open like this, not even like this, doesn't have to do it like this. Sorry, like this, then put in like this. At something like New York, we can expand lower. It was bearish sign, but now it's look little bit bullish, just little bit, not big bullish. It's just a consolidation in this. In here is simply consolidation. Then after we at the close to the New York session, we are seeing bullish price actions. Okay, so we also got a change in the stated delivery right here. That's also bullish sign, and we sweep the previous daily low. So the current daily candle looking like this. Going to the 1 hour time frame again. So we can target right here, but not exactly like this. Like I mean, you see the change in stated delivery, then you can look for up here. Just enter anywhere you see no. We want to wait for same things. We wait for same things on the Euro USD and the Canadian dollar. And as here you can see the price is coming into the fair value gap, then respecting. Then the next candle you want to expect this bullish candle. Sorry, I replaced too much. And here you see price is retracing into the fair value gap, then respecting the fair value gap with these weeks, as you see here, and respecting the previous candle low also on the 1 hour time frame. So the next candle we expect to be bullish. Then we have targets, the close targets, and the higher targets, etc. But in this trade, I think I just target 2RR, not 2RR, but yeah, that was my entry where I'm looking at right now. So at the 5 minute time frame, we just go to the 5 minutes, and I want to take it to the 1 hour now. Oh, my entry was 3 minutes. Okay, that was different. So actually, on my screenshot is showing the changes to the delivery here, but it doesn't matter because we sweep here, right? So this actually changes to the change in the state of delivery. So that was the first change in the state of delivery. This is 8 a.m. So we enter at 9 a.m. right? Oh yeah, okay, so we sweep the previous candle low, then we made change in the state of delivery, then we continue higher a little bit, then new candles opens up, and this new candle actually opens here. Well, we take some lows right here. Then again, this is the subjective way of my trading, because I took a buy after this candle closed above this here, like this. Not the exact entry like this, actually my entry somewhere around here, but my real entry, I had couple entries, so my real entry was here. Then take the 2RR, let's say. Actually it's like 3.35 because it's actually a different story. I forget to close my trades, I forget to put a TP. What an undisciplined move, right? So I close the trades around like this with the 3RR. My exact entry is something right here. I don't know, 335 it's saying on my journal. But the make sense entry will be look like this. The different entry on my X, I think more sniper entry, but if I took this entry again, then I will take it like this with the 2RR targets like this. It's more clear, because why we have this one. Let's go to the 1 day time frame again, daily time frame. We see the respect candle. Okay, we want to see bearish moves, then but 1 hour is not agreeing with us, so we can agree on we want to be bullish, at least in the short term. We want to see bullish moves, right? So the first confirmation with the change in the state of delivery at the 1 hour time frame. The second confirmation when we close respect candle, then this candle just we need this bullish candle to hit the TP. That's all we need. We don't need the whole move to make a money, whole move to make a trade, whole move to take profit. No, we don't need that. We only need small movements with the sum of confirmations, and the same things going to apply again. Change in the state delivery, then targets hits. That's that much actually easy. I don't want to say easy, but it's actually not really hard also. If you just focus on your plan, just focus on your plan, it can be really easy. And yeah, that was it. I have to apologize if it's not fully clear. I want to explain it how I see the trades. This is how I take the trades on the last week. And I want to announce actually, like, we can do 101 with the people. If you want to work with me like 101, if you want to see me like working with you and just see how it's gonna be go with me, like seeing me as like personal coach, then you can just join my Discord group and you can say you want to see this happen, then we can see how it goes. Because some people telling me to start mentorship, etc., but I don't want this to happen, and I don't want to I don't know how to put in the words, but it feels not really correct, because like this I'm gonna talk for like 5 minutes. So Do you see mentors on the X or YouTube? They make videos, right? And they just putting the mentorship, and you see they make a money from their concepts, right? But the problem is the concept is can be objective but can't be fully objective. So they can say just you're gonna sell right here, and not everyone can sell here. I mean, the trading style should fit you, right? Not every trading style is work, every strategy is work, but it just needs to fit you. Like, if it's not fitting you, then it's not correct one. So if I make a videos and sell to you guys, like if I make a like 10 video series and sell to you, it's gonna be bad, it's gonna be false. Because why? Because it's not the right way to do it, because you can't be profitable just for watching the videos. You need to put in the work, you need to work, and like you need to understand if this strategies works for you or not. Because like I say, every strategy works, but you need to find what is work for you, what is best work for it. You need to find this one. That's the important part, because I can show you everything here, then you might still not understand it, or you can just met with the best trader in the world, and if that person just show you how he trades, then you can still not understand it. Like you can understand it, like he can do step by step, or I can do step by step, but if it's not fitting you how he trades, it's about personality and how you choose things, right? If it's not fitting you, then it's never gonna work, because yeah, it's just different. Sometimes I can't put in the words, but it is how it is. So yeah, I have plans. I want to tell people I want to see, I want to do better things. So maybe if you have any ideas, just come to my Discord and just tell what you think. I'm really open-minded. I can open to any kind of ideas or etc. Then we can do how things work. Just don't be shy. Just don't just tell anything if it makes sense to you. Okay, that was it. So thanks for your watching, guys, and see you on another videos then. Bye bye.